Hello everyone, today's I'll show you how to earn 0.22 BNB. Now I have 0.005 BNB on my wallet. First off, we click on the browser button, then search. Claim Bera.netlify.app. Foreigners has all information. Bera is Berachain project. Scroll down. Copy the smart contract, go back to your wallet. Click the Add Custom Token function of the app. Go back to your airdrop website. Then click Claim 20 Bera button, click Connect and confirm to the website. Go back to your website. And click Swap button. Connect your wallet. And click Swap button, wait transactions. Congrats, you received 0.22 BNB. Just enjoy a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more airdrop.